Para kang kumain sa isang restaurant nasa tabi ka ng dagat. And this is how they will prepare it. Tropical country, coconuts, fresh fish, lemon butter sauce. This is the way it is. Sarap. Pero ang premium talaga dito is the rice. Ang galing ng rice, oh. And here's our coconut rice, fried snapper, and lemon butter sauce. Hello and welcome to Goma. Today we are preparing fish and coconut rice with lemon butter sauce. First, let's cook our rice. Let's put in, let's say, like 2 cups of rice. Yeah, this 2 cups. Okay, put it inside. We'll wash our rice. Okay, gasan natin mabuti yan. Wash it some more. We're washing this to take out number 1 the starch and to clean yung rice. Siyempre pagkagaling sa sa pag-process nito may alikabok, that's how rice is made. Sometimes there's dust, there's some stones, so you'll see it. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to put coconut milk. Yan. And then we'll cook it there. Should be enough. Let's see. Okay. A little more. Good. Sarap talaga ng fresh coconut milk. Pumunta sila sa merkado kanina. Sarap. Tirahin ko na to. Love it. I'm gonna drink that later. And then, in our rice, I'm going to put some spices. We'll put some parsley. Yun. We'll put some ginger. Yun. The luya we want for this. It'll flavor our rice. And some oregano. Lagay mo lang siya dun. That will flavor your rice well. Okay? And then lagyan mo ng konting salt. So that, just a little salt. Flavor it. You can also put some onions. Slice your onions. Here. Okay. And again, put it there in your rice. Garlic is optional, but what I'll do, I'll use the garlic dun sa lemon butter natin. Okay. And now, I'll mix it. Nako, sarap na itong rice na to. Pagkatapos, yun. Just mix this. And we're ready to cook our rice. In 15 minutes, tapos tong rice natin. Ganda pa lang, bango na yun. Go and start, and then that's it. So while we are cooking our rice, we will prepare now our fish. Okay, simple lang to. Fish, all you have to do is just season it with pepper and salt. That's it. If you have coriander powder, pwede rin. We'll hit our skillet. Okay. Give it there. Salt and pepper. Put some coriander powder to your fish. Okay. Dust it lang. Yun lang. Huwag masyadong marami kasi medyo may dating din yung coriander pag masyadong marami. Yes, just like that. Okay, good. Konting olive oil. There, that's good. Good. And then the other side is not seasoned, so lalagyan siya ng salt and pepper on that side. Good. Just a little salt. And a little of that coriander. Okay, now it's seasoned. We'll cook it. Put natin. Nice. So we'll make our butter sauce. What I'll do is we'll put in our lemon, and then goodie. While we're waiting for our rice to cook, gawin natin yung butter natin. Okay, so we are going to heat up our lemon juice, and then slowly we'll add in our cold butter. Oops, yeah. And good. Hinaan natin. Then we'll cut our butter para mamaya lagyan natin ng lagay. And then once mag-melt yung butter, just keep on mixing it. Lagyan din natin yung garlic. There you go. Nice. Okay, clean your table. This might take a while, no? Pagawa natin ng butter sauce. The key here is to slowly build up on your sauce. Yung butter pa konti-konti. Yun, pa konti-konti natin ilalagay. And keep on stirring it. And then later on we'll put in our pepper and salt. Yeah, good. And then put in cold butter. There you go. Make pepper. Okay, some salt, pinch of salt. Good. Yeah. Keep on mixing it. Yeah. Keep on mixing a cold butter. Para hindi mag-separate yung ano, hindi mag-separate yung cream niya. Yeah. Goodie. That's beautiful. So by the time I'm done with this, I'm done with my fish. Done na rin yung coconut rice natin. Beauty. Okay. Residual heat na lang iwan natin dyan. Add one more butter. Should be done. Yun. This point, subukan natin ito. Kung okay na ba yung taste niya. Oh, more salt. More pepper. Sarap. So good. Ganun lang. Ganun lang ka-basic ito. That's it. So, residual heat na lang to. So, the last remaining cold butter. Yun lang yung minimix natin dito. And then we put it in our sauce bowl. Yeah, good. Rice natin, 6 minutes. Good. So now, tatransfer ko na to dito. Goody. Chicken rice. Ganda. Our fish is done. Our butter sauce is done. Our rice is done. Okay. So let's plate. Ito na yung rice natin. Kuha tayo. Goody. Wow, look at that rice. Oh. Ganda, oh. Alright. Our rice. Tanggal natin yung ano. May bobo na, no? Okay. Here we go. One more. Okay. Get our fish. Okay, get this out. Put tayong lemon natin. Okay. Lemon. Gawin natin. Good. Just like that. And then ng butter, our fish. Ganda. Creamy. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. And here's our coconut rice, fried snapper, and lemon butter sauce. Okay, let's try this. Wow. On hot rice. Fish on hot rice. Sarap. Sa looks pa lang, masarap na eh. So ito may konti pang salt. Wow. Parang ano? Alam mo yung parang kang kumain sa isang restaurant nasa tabi ka ng dagat, and this is how they will prepare it. Tropical country, coconuts, fresh fish, lemon butter sauce. That's the way it is. Sarap. Pero ang premium talaga dito is the rice. Ang galing ng rice, oh. Yung sweetness ng onions. Tapos yung parang soothing taste ng ginger. Sarap, makuha mo dito. Very good. Wow. Para ko na sa mga 7 or 8 out of 10 ako dito. Great. Okay. So please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell. It's a wonderful dish. It's healthy. It's clean. It's fresh. So do this in your own kitchen. Share it with your friends and enjoy it with your family. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll see you next time right here in Goma at Home. Bye.